we had decided to stay one last day in the town of Huatulco in Mexico, since we had not planned our trip the night before. The hotel was really incredible and located on top of a hill in the mountains. Today we were also gonna go out for some really incredible snorkeling in the Pacific Ocean. Hello and welcome to another video here in Huatulco. We're sitting at this hotel that you might have seen in the last video, Princess Mayev. And we have this incredible view here overlooking the mountains and this green landscape. We had lived in luxury for just around $70 per day.
Coffee time.
And around $5 for the breakfast. So we just had breakfast here at this place, really incredible view, and now we are about to get in a taxi and go to this really incredible beach across the mountains where you can do some really nice snorkeling. And today is actually one of the best days so far, not a single cloud in the sky. Here is the room where we stayed yesterday and today. We paid $75 per night. 1,500 pesos, and it's really nice because there's direct access to the pool out here. Before the adventures would start for the day, I decided to jump in and cool off in the really nice swimming pool outside the hotel room. I just jumped in and now I'm drying up a bit, and then we're gonna head over to the beach. So nice here, must be about around 28 degrees Celsius, I think. 80, 85 something Fahrenheit. Really nice. Good fry. We're back here at Chedraui, and Maria, she went in to buy some kind of cream for the bug bites that we have on our legs. So we got these bug bites when we were up in the mountains to some coffee plantation a couple of days ago, and it was kind of like mosquitoes. Had probably 100 of them on our legs. It was itching, or it's still itching, but it's like regular mosquito bites, I think. We're getting in the taxi to Playa La Entrega. We took a 10-minute taxi ride to go across the mountains and into a really incredible beach on the other side. This time the taxi only cost 70 pesos, which is around $3.50. This is where I was the other day, but now we're gonna go check it out more and go snorkeling, check out every single area of this place. The beach is a really famous beach called Playa La Entrega, located in between the mountains and also open to the Pacific Ocean. This location also has some good snorkeling and cliffs. We were soon about to swim into some caves, but first hang out on the beach for a little bit. Are you happy now when you have the cream for your mosquito bites?
Yeah, this feels better. I don't know what it is though. It was like $10.
Yeah. The mosquitoes of the coffee plantations in the mountains.
Mosquitoes though. They're called no-see-ums, and I was reading about it last night. Whenever they bite you, they leave their saliva inside the host's flesh. Then sometimes they can become infected if you scratch them, which we've been scratching them the past few days. But the cream is helping, so that's good.
We are on the beach. Very nice here. I was here the other day. So nice. But today there's gonna be some great snorkeling also, not only the beach. Oh, the frying is so good. The sun feels perfect on the skin. So nice, we're about to cool off in a little bit. We sat down in this paradise to get ready for our long snorkeling trip. How nice here on the beach. The back is frying pretty good. But now it's time for the snorkeling. We put our bags in the locker and started heading out.
It's time to snorkel! Hopefully we can find some reef here. It's a bit cold actually in the water.
The statistics say that the temperature in the water never goes below 27 degrees Celsius or 80 Fahrenheit. But I think it was a bit colder than that. However, it was really refreshing. We dove in and got into a different type of world. It was very relaxing in the water after being in the hot temperature outside and on the beach. We swam away into deeper waters, but we're looking for a cave that we would soon find. We came into some cleaner water and it was like we were floating in space with no gravity. We had found the cave and decided to swim through and into it. This cave seemed to have a few different chambers that we were coming in through. It opened up and a bit of sunlight was coming in from the top. It was really a cool experience when the waves were coming in from the hole. We had been in the water for nearly 30 minutes and the sunlight was coming back out again. We came up from around the corner and in to the same beach again.
Oh, the snorkeling was nice, but I'm shivering a bit cold. We need some more frying now. We got a table for ourselves in the sun. Very perfect actually. And I got the Corona for the first time in a while, a beer. Really good. We were a bit cold, but we've been heating up in the sun again and life is pretty good. Cheers everybody. Some guacamole, salsa. Nom nom nom. I also wanted to say something negative. I usually don't say negative things, but we were sitting here and then I ordered a beer and some chips. And he got really mad first and he didn't want us to order anything because he said comida, comida, like we needed to eat and spend a lot more money because that was not good enough that we didn't spend enough money. But I said no, I just want a beer and we want some chips. And then now when we had to pay, we needed to pay 50 peso extra. Sometimes I feel like they think that here in Mexico, just if you're a tourist then you just need to pay more extra for nothing. You just because you're a tourist then you need to just pay them. We're getting in the taxi. It's probably the 10th taxi we are in just a few days, and I'm starting to get a good understanding of how much you should pay for taxis here.
For around 70 pesos or $3.50, we could go all across town.
Where is that?
¿Dónde está el Insignia?
We're back at Hotel Princess Mayev after a nice time on the beach. Very, very, very nice. But we also have some pool tricks waiting tonight.
Oh wait.
We came back and rested for a bit after the adventure. It's a bit dark in here, but it was a good time. I am gonna go to the pool and do something. I have to wait for him to go so I can do some pool tricks from there. It's time for what you have all been waiting for. Pool tricks. Pool tricks. Pool tricks. Are you coming?
Yeah, is he still watering the plants?
No, he left.
Okay.
Today we're gonna do a double backflip from the wall. I will bring you one last pool trick on the chairs. But we have some kind of security over here. They cannot see the pool trickster here. They will be very, very upset. My friends, I hope you will buy my pool trick t-shirts. If you go to the description of this video, you can click the link. You can also buy the Black Sheep apparel, shirts and hoodies, pool trick and Black Sheep. That's what you can buy from me. She came, but she missed the show. She only saw when I fell. Tonight we're gonna have dinner here at the hotel where we've been staying. Really nice. There's a really good vibe here, and I feel great after my pool tricks that I performed down here recently. You better hurry up. Tomorrow's Christmas Day. We got some chips. That's one of the best parts about Mexico. When you go to restaurants, you always get chips. Nom, 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 nom. Now we got the food. I ordered chicken fajita. That's usually what I get, actually. That's, I think, my favorite food of all time. Chicken fajita. It's chicken, green peppers, onion, and some kind of beans and guacamole
Black
and chips.
beans and
Black
guacamole.
beans.
Yeah. Just got a house salad. Looks really delicious, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in.
Chicken fajita. Most people probably know, but you eat it, you put it in the tortilla, the chicken mix, chicken and bell peppers. A total of 240 pesos. That's like kind of $10 for both of us. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My Black Sheep merchandise and my Pool Tricks merchandise is available if you go to the description of this video and click the links to the sites. And thanks again for watching. See you next time.